Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a iPhone 12 Pro Max case unboxing and review. Let's unbox it, shall we? The case I got is a OtterBox Defender XT. Pretty cool. I have the Defender case, the silicone version, and I wanted something that was made for the MagSafe charging because I might think of getting a MagSafe charger, and a lot of cases I have don't support that feature. And I really like how this looks because my dad's friend got the iPhone 13 Pro, and he got this case, and it actually looks really cool when I was holding it. And yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty cool. That's the MagSafe area. It's like a cutout. It actually feels really nice. There's like a nice smooth plastic, and then the edges is silicone. And then the way you take it off is it's like an OtterBox Defender. You just take the edge off, and yeah. Let's see how thick it is compared to a Defender. Oh, it's about the same, to be honest. Yeah, it's about the same. That's actually pretty cool. It's actually the same width of the Defender. So yeah, let's put it in. All right, let's take it off. That's how my 12 Pro Max looks, pretty nice. And then I think it just tells you to just put this in like this. And then put this on top and make sure it goes charging port to charging port. And then I'll get back when this is done. Oh my God, finally I got it on. That was the most difficult case I've ever put on my phone. You had to use your nails to lift up the silicone onto the plastic, and then now it's all set. And it actually feels really nice when it's on the phone. The buttons are pretty easy to click. Pretty good. It's opened up. It's kind of like an OtterBox Defender. If you can see, it got the camera's kind of out a little bit. And then you got the charging right there. Just pull it up. Pretty nice. You got yourself the lanyard attachment. And let's see if this will work. My OtterBox Defender belt clip, because it does not come in the package, but OtterBox says you can buy it. You get like a code, I think, in the packaging that gives you a free belt clip from the website, but you have to pay for shipping, $7. I want to see if this actually works. It kind of works, but it kind of moves. It doesn't really fit it that much. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you next video. Peace out.